Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Microsoft Outlook. This formatting option is particularly useful when you want to show edits, indicate completed tasks, or highlight changes without completely removing the original text. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, you'll see your inbox along with all your recent messages and conversations. Give it a moment to fully load if you have a lot of emails coming through. Once your email has been loaded, we'll move on to striking through text in Microsoft Outlook. To do this, you'll need to access your email composition tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This button is pretty easy to spot as it's usually prominently displayed in the toolbar. From the email composition screen, the process of striking through text in Outlook is quite straightforward. First, look at the top part of your screen and click on Format Text. This tab opens up your email formatting tools, giving you access to various text styling options that can enhance your message's appearance and clarity. From here, under the Font section, you'll see the Strike Through button. But before you click it, you need to highlight the text you wish to strike through. Simply click and drag your cursor over the word or phrase you want to format. Once the text is highlighted, click on the Strike Through button, and it will add a line through the certain word you've highlighted. The strike through appears instantly, making it clear that the text has been marked or edited. This feature is especially handy when you're collaborating with colleagues and need to show what's been changed or completed in your communication. You can also combine strike-through with other formatting options like bold or italics to create more nuanced messaging within your emails. And that's it. You've successfully applied strike-through formatting to text in Microsoft Outlook, giving you another tool to communicate more effectively and clearly in your professional emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.